Have you ever wanted to use a VA or virtual assistant? Don't you just think, like, if I had somebody who could do a lot of these tasks that I do every single day, that I would be better off? Of course you would. And I have a special guest who's going to come in and tell you all about it. Hey there, I'm Carol J. Dunlop, your online wild strategist and 5-time best-selling author. Today, I have a special presenter from the Ultimate List Building Summit. That's Melissa Hinton from the Hinton Agency. And she is telling us today all about what you need to know about working with a virtual assistant because she owns an agency. So instead of writing the book, she created the agency about it. I've worked with her several times as both a client and as someone, as a provider. So I know how she works. She's awesome, and you will get a lot out of this. So let's go. So nothing ever goes like it's planned for some reason or another. I don't know why. Oh, there's Melissa. I see her. Let's see if we can bring her on. Good deal. And as my mama would always say, there's always more than one way to skin a cat.
Look, oh my goodness.
Melissa, you're here.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Look,
Girl,
it
I don't
feels
know what
good
happened. I
on
was
my
watching you and
phone.
the thing it just kicked you out. But that's okay. You're here now and looking beautiful as ever. Look at you. Wow. Yeah, and let me put some context behind that, y'all. I always see Melissa. We're in this mastermind together with Biz Bessie, Nadine Mullins, and we just come on there, like we really are. We get up in the morning, put on our little jammies, we come in the mastermind, and then we never see each other when we're all done up.
Right,
Unless we're doing
right.
something. But it's okay. It's okay. All right, Melissa, I know we got some time. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell everyone about your business, whichever one you choose to talk about, because I know you got some new stuff going on. And we're going to get into this, how a VA can help you build your business.
Awesome, awesome, awesome sauce. I am Melissa Hinton of the Hinton Agency, transitioning from the business office genie. And I'm an online business manager and a VA trainer now.
Yeah.
Yes. Look, I can put that on my title now.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Absolutely.
With a
So I
PhD in
have
the training.
yes, because I'm training VAs to do what I did, and so that they can transition to the OBM playground as well.
Good deal. I like it. I like it. So let's get into this. How can a virtual assistant help you build your audience? Like, what kind of things can they do? What would I want to hire one for?
Okay, awesome. So with your VA, if you're list building, improving your business, increasing your business, upscaling your business, a VA is like really your secret weapon, so to speak.
Hmm.
So you have the business owner has the ideas. The VA will come in and complete the task to bring the idea to fruition. Um, and so we're talking about list building, and we've had some awesome information today. You've heard about automation, you've heard about funnels, you've heard several different things. So with that, your VA will, again, like I say, implement all of those ideas. So with automation, that's setting up your email sequences. So once someone opts in, then they need to receive some type of confirmation. They need to receive some type of welcome email. And then you want to nurture them to the next level of whatever your product or service is. And your
Right.
VA can help set that up. That's one of the ways. You want me to keep
Hmm.
going, or
Hmm.
just you got a question?
Well,
You
I
want
wanted
to
to ask you, how would you decide when you need a VA to help you with these tasks and know what you can do or what you should do or shouldn't do on your own?
mm-hmm.
So I think that's
So
one of the things that people think about, like, I could do that myself, but why would you want to?
what exactly? And that's the answer. Why would you want to? Like you have all these things to do, right? In your
Hmm.
business. And a lot of times when we're first entering into the entrepreneurial world, it is you got to handle it yourself most times.
Hmm.
But when you get to
Hmm.
the point of you're not working in your genius, that's when you need to hire your help. And that's where your VA come in, your OBMs, and you can have a VA for different tasks. Most times people think of the admin side, which is great
Hmm.
because you definitely need that. But then you also need to think about the tech side of it as well.
Yeah. And that's where an OBM will come in, right?
Well, your
In the
OBM is going to manage your projects, manage
hmm.
your team members, and the systems. So,
Okay.
and that means that the OBM may be managing the VAs that you bring on. So your
Oh.
OBM is
Hmm.
almost like your partner
Hmm.
in implementation. So the
Okay.
OBM is your go between, your liaison.
Okay. And what does, for everyone else, what does OBM stand for?
Online business manager.
Okay. All right. So we got an online business manager who's going to help us do what we need to do and kind of make the, I guess you get together, you plan out, and then they take over stuff, and then you don't have to do it anymore. Is that how the
That's
whole thing
how it
works?
works. The business owner comes with the ideas. The OBM, online business manager, is the implementer. Sorry, and then the tasks are processed through the VA.
Okay. Okay. Now you don't have to start with that because I know an OBM, which
Hmm.
y'all know, that's going to cost you a little bit more money. But a VA is someone you could probably hire them for what, like 10 hours a month, 10 hours a
Yeah,
week, or
you
something like that.
at whatever rate and level you need, because you can,
Hmm.
if you say, hey, I just need somebody to check my emails, I need somebody to make sure that I'm responding to emails or responding to social media messages, that might only be 3 hours a week, 5 hours a week, or even maybe in a month, depending on your activity. And you can
Right.
hire your VAs according to what you need.
Okay. I like that. I like that. I mean, I'm serious. You know me. We've been talking a while, and you're working with me on my team for my program, the Authority Creators. Love it.
Mhm.
Just finding out about, because this is my first venture into using a VA. So it's like, what do I need them to do? But I know what I need them to do. I know what I need to stop doing so I can get them to do it. So I think that's the biggest pull with entrepreneurs. We know what we need to stop doing, but we don't want to stop doing it because we figure no one else can do it like me, right?
Yeah, and we have to overcome that. I had to overcome that myself because I'm used to being the doer. But you have to find the help, and then you have to be very clear on what it is that you need help with, and very clear on how you want it done, so that you
Hmm.
can explain that. Because when you just hire someone and say, "Hey, this is what I need done," they're going to do it the way that they know to do it, and it may not line up with
Yeah,
what you need and how you need it. So you just have to
right.
be very clear in that before you hire. And
Exactly.
sometimes you don't find out until you hire.
That's true. That's true. Or you don't see as much work that you were doing, and you're like, wow, I was doing all that. Now she's doing it or he's doing it. Oh my goodness. Why did I wait so long? That's the
Yes,
thing. That's the thing.
yes.
So what's a freebie that you have? What's a little gift that you have for everyone as we close out?
Yes, I'm gonna give a resource guide for different systems and programs so that you can use for your automation, for setups for funnels, and then
Ooh,
also a free
okay.
Q&A session.
Awesome. What's the link for that? Because I don't think I have the link on the site because you kind of stepped
I'll
in
send,
last minute when I called
yeah,
you and you're like, yeah, I can come up, so we didn't get everything. So give me the link so I can make sure that I put it
and
on the site
I'll
and
send it
everyone
to
gets it.
you because I don't know it offhand
Oh,
myself. So
okay.
I will send.
Okay.
I'll send it to you in just a little bit.
All
Yeah,
right,
I
great.
will send it
So
to you.
y'all know to watch out for her gift because it's not on the site right now, but I will have it there after she sends me the link. So probably by in the morning or something, it'll be there. I just want to
Hmm.
let everyone know when you click on the link, it ain't gonna go nowhere, but it's coming. It's coming.
Yes,
All right. Thank you so
absolutely.
much, Melissa, for coming in. Sorry you had some trouble, but you gave a whole lot of information in the little time that you have. So thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Awesome. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. All right, take care. We'll talk
All
soon.
right. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed that with Melissa. Wasn't she great? Doesn't it make you just want to run out to her website right now, log on, and get started with her? I hope it does because you need some help. We all need help, really, for for sure. We need help. So I want you to do that. Just think about what a virtual assistant can do for you and how that can enhance your business. And it is really a no-brainer for you to start using someone to do that. And it will help your business grow as well. Now, remember, you can get all of these summit videos together in one bundle and save 20% off the whole thing by going to csicorporation.com/summit bundle. So I want you to get all of this information. Is absolutely free, right? And start using it in your own business. If you haven't already, make sure you check out Sherry Lee Wozniak's video about Facebook pages and how to make your Facebook page a part of your marketing for your business instead of just sitting out there alone in space. I know you can do it. See you next time.